Hi everyone, I'm Nikita Shah. So here today we'll be having learning so many things, so many style of making mask and your hair accessories. It goes with your style and day to day. We are now with lots of light colors and dark colors I have used, and there are few simple techniques to make mask. And first mask, what I'm going to show you is denim mask. I have used my old thin denim. So this is my very thin denim and it is breathable. So here I have taken a rectangular piece where I have done a lazy daisy embroidery. Okay? So you can paint or you can do some nice embroideries. And here I have kept this open. Okay, why? So I can use my tissue paper. So this becomes my 3-layer mask. And a simple technique, the string. You can have a cotton string, or you can use elastic, elasticated, or it can be 6 inches or 10 inches. So here we go. So you just aim here like this. Here I have used plain fabric, which is my most favorite fabric, and it's again 2-layer. Here I have done fabric painting, so you can write your name, or if it's like you can have your pictures of cartoons or something. And this longer part goes down like this, and this again you can use. So again, this is 2-layer. It's a cotton fabric, and it is very simple mask. Only it's the rectangle piece. Can you see the rectangle piece? And there is a wedge opening here, and we have strings around 32 inches of my strings. So this just I'm going to cover like this. Band, right? So now I'll be showing you style 1. For the same, according to that, I have made 2-layer mask. First, I will wear my mask. This is very pleasant color, yellowish orange, and it's like a pure cotton, and these are block prints. Yeah, see this now. Triangular piece. If we have long hair, this band will go like this. So again, it covers from back, and now I'm going to use styling. I can twist this like this, like this. Here I go, and so this is pretty. And if I want, again, I have few things which I have made with crochet. I can use this. So here I go. Yeah. So these flowers are made by crochet. It's knitting. Okay. So now the second thing, I can tie here also, like this. So, and the next is I have made one squeezy like this, and I'm going to cover this. Like a bowl. Or I can choose and this and this. It's again a pure cotton and block print. Here I have used these strings, okay, and from here I have made ruffles, so it looks really stylish. A same color mask I have made, so I'll be wearing this mask first. Again, it's two layer, breathable. It goes back, and you have to tie this. You can use elastic also, but I prefer strings are more comfortable. 36 inches string. Yeah. Now see, this ruffles look more beautiful. And again, crochet flower, velvet, and again it is so this is my duffel hat accessory. It protects my hair and it looks very pleasant, and the colors are light. I have blended with yellow, so you can pair it up with jeans and yellow t-shirt or light pastel colors, so it's smart. And this cover adds more from this. Instead of this, you can make squeezy like this, so it stays